So this is actually an awesome way to use AI to make your life a little bit easier. So let's say you renamed a product, working on a product, and then whatever, there's a name change. There's tons of documentation. So I use this tool called Lex, which I really dig. As just there's something different about the writing experience. So you can chat with a bot, and this bot is running GPT-4, and I could choose kind of other models here. So here's the conversation I've been having, and so I'm renaming the product. So now I need to go through here and clean this up. So it's no longer Egg MD, it's called Terraso. So I come down in here, and it goes down to real-time mobile apps. So in the future, I'm sure this is going to be a lot easier to do real-time apps. So it even has keeps the formatting and everything in there. Real-time mobile apps. So that's where we were. Now we do advanced data analysis, computer vision, map layers. It's actually a lot of stuff there. And maybe I just go down to utilizing Sugar Wagon, operational modes. Should be dump wagon actually. Come down here and the harvester mode. I don't think it says AMD anywhere in there. So you can just talk to the document that way. So now I skimmed down and just said, hey, let's just skip all of this. So here we jump down to here, and boom, it's filling all of this out. See how much it does. So you can see it's just going to print that out. I'm going to paste that into the document, but this would take a long time to edit, and I could do control replace, but I've also told it to make some improvements. And I can suggest mention more of this, or Azure Farm Beats is no longer around, but there's Farm Vibes. I don't know that we're going to use it. So very easy to manipulate output just with conversation.